guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I am going to do this eye look. I asked you guys like a week ago. I posted that picture, or this picture that I'm going to post right here on Instagram, and I asked you if you wanted a tutorial and all of you said you do. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys how I created this. Of course, I used, where is it at? This palette right here. This is like the fifth time I use it. Before I get started, I would love for those of you that are new to my channel to please subscribe. Help me out in getting this video to 300 likes. So give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, now let's get started. Alright, I have you super close because I know you guys like it when it's very close when I do the eye tutorials. So I'm going to start by using this concealer from Kevyn Aucoin. This is actually a corrector, but it works fine. Just the same as a concealer to use it as a primer. So once it's on my eyelid, I'm going to use this sponge from Real Techniques and start blending that out. I'm gonna make sure I have it all over my eyelid, nice and even, and then bring it up to my brow bone. I already have some because I use the same concealer to clean up my eyebrows. My brain was blank there for a second. But anyways, yes, it's important to have it all even. Then I'm gonna get this Rimmel Translucent powder. I love this because it's pressed powder, obviously, and it's just perfect to set the eyeshadow, or not the eyeshadow, the primer on my eyelid. Whew, I don't know why I'm so excited to be doing another tutorial with this palette. It's just so gorgeous. The first eyeshadow I'm gonna go is this one right here. First eyeshadow I'm gonna go into. I like to put it right in my crease, and it helps if I have my eyes open instead of just looking down or having my eyes closed. I literally just go like right in there, like I'm pushing in. Not as hard because, you know, I don't want to go blind. Now I'm gonna get a little more and kind of go over the edge of that. I'm just gonna stay here for a long time till it's nice and blended. Alright, now I'm going to get this ABH Cosmetics brush. It's a little bit smaller than the e.l.f. Crease brush that I got. I'm going to go into this eyeshadow here. Now I'm going to carefully put this eyeshadow right on the crease. I don't want it to go as high as the first eyeshadow I applied. And that's why I got a brush that's just a little bit smaller than the one I just used. When you're applying these eyeshadows, it doesn't matter how it's looking on the lid because I'm going to apply concealer there anyway, so it's going to cover all that up. So with this, I'm just focusing how it looks from the crease up. So for this part right here, I applied the eyeshadows going like this, like following my crease, and then over here, I kind of followed the eyebrows, like the bottom of my eyebrows. I just followed that with the eyeshadow too, and I stop where the tail of the eyebrows end because that's where I want the eyeshadow to end, like you see right here. Okay, now here comes the tricky part. I'm gonna get the same concealer I used to prime my eyeshadow. I'm gonna get the Real Techniques detailer brush. I think this is the perfect brush for that. You can use any brush that's this tiny. It's just a lot easier for me to apply the concealer. To do this part, I needed a lot of practice because it would come out so weird. It would come out wavy or just not good. So you can get the hang of it. You just need to, you know, be calm so you can do the line nice and perfect. Whew, okay, I like to start right there and then I look at it and see if it's good or not. I like to open my eyes and see if it's even from like the line of my crease right there and the line of the concealer. That line right there where it folds, it has to be even. I try to follow that, and then here's where I create the tail and I just go whoop, towards the tip, trying like to connect the tail of my eyebrow just like that, and then just fill the rest of the eyelid in. Now that it's nice and even, normally I set that with a powder, but I want the eyeshadow to really stand out and stick on my eyelid. So I'm just going to apply it like that, and I'm going to apply this one right here. Look at this. How pigmented and gorgeous is that eyeshadow? Okay, now to clean up whatever fell down here, I'm just getting a wipe, and I'm also going to clean up the eyeshadow down here. I'm just gonna go up like this. Now I'm going to apply this pencil, the 24/7 pencil from Urban Decay. I'm going to put it on my waterline. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back to this eyeshadow right here, and I'm using this little brush from Coastal Scents, and I'm just going to put it all over my lower lash line. Now using this flat brush, it's very, very thin. I missed it. Very thin. I'm gonna go again into this dark eyeshadow and put it right below the lashes. Now I'm going to put this mascara from Lancome, and I love it so much. You can apply so many layers and it applies so good without making them so chunky. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Did you like this look? Would you wear it? Leave any requests in the comments below. Thank you all so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!